Christina Wilson. How you all doing tonight? Good evening, good evening. Come on, put those hands together. Come on, show the world some praise. Y'all doing good tonight? Are you feeling good? Do you feel lovely? Do you feel blessed? Are you full? Are you looking for that chicken wing? I'm so excited to be here on the PROGRAM. I thank the Lord for BHERETONIGHT. Does anybody know what I said? I said I thank the Lord for being here on the PROGRAM on the program TONIGHT tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Look at here. My name is Christina Wilson. I call myself Elevation because I'm trying to lift you higher and higher. I hail from Woodbridge, Virginia, and I'd like to talk to you all tonight about the club. Come on, how many of you all in here like to go to the club? Put your hands together. All right. How many of y'all in here still go to the club even as a Christian? Put your hands together. And I like it. Some of y'all, that's real. I appreciate that. Thank you. I have to be honest with you. I might be a big piece of meat, as my grandma said, but I could drop it like it's hot. I will shut this place D-O-W-N-T. I will shut it down. Okay? Don't make me do it. I will do it. Oh, yes. Why, yes. Oh, I love FPLL. I love it. I love it. I love FPLL. That's spelled for y'all. Those of y'all don't know how. I don't like being on the video. If somebody put me on the video camera, I don't like the video. Oh, okay. Anyway, look here. I like the club. I'll be honest. I like the club. My girlfriend, her aunt, that's all she do. She thinks she's cute when she's going to tell something. So I like that. But I love the club, you know. I love to go to the club. And, you know, I go to the club, I'll be honest, at least once or twice a month. At least. At least, let's be honest. Okay, let's keep it real. Yes. So when I go to the club, I like to get there at about, 12:30, 1 o'clock, maybe 2 o'clock, In the morning. I'm not finished. Hold on. H-O-L-D-O-N, okay? I get to the club around about 12:30, 1 o'clock. I like to see what's going on when I go to the club, Because I'm short and I'm tiny like that. I like to go around and see what's going on. And so I peeped around the club, and, one time I ran up in the club, and, I'm single, and I'm not chasing after being any more of these days. So I saw this big, tall chocolate tree. I said, Jesus is real, So I went on around the club, and he's looking at me, and I'm looking at him, and I thought to myself, I said, Lord, you are really good, right? So, he was getting ready to leave the club, and I was getting ready to leave the club, and I said to myself, what should I do? So he pulled out his wallet to pay his tab at the club. And he pulled up the wallet. The wallet was thick. I said, yes, God, I believe he's the one. Okay. So he went on and paid his tab, and he asked me if I was leaving the club, and I said yes, and he said, are you leaving the club? I said, yes. So we're on our way walking out the CLUB, and the lady at the door said, excuse me, may I see your receipt? I don't know how to spell R-E-C-I-P-T. And I said, what are you talking about? She said, I'd like to see your receipt. I said, look, we've already paid for our stuff. So he looked at me, and I looked at him, because he looked delicious, but I'm looking nutritious. I appreciate that, Giggle. Thank you so much. And we're walking on our way out the club. And so we looked at each other. We kind of giggled. He said, where are you going from here? I said, I'm going to Shoppers Club. Then I'm going to Sam's Club. See, I told y'all be going to the club. All right? I thought y'all would giggle harder than that. I appreciate that, Giggle. I know what y'all thinking. I know y'all looking at me. Some of y'all jealous. I know y'all wish I could be so tiny like this. I'm about 120 pounds. Plus 20, plus 20, plus 40, plus 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah. The people sometimes when I go on shows, they get scared. They say, oh, Lord, here comes a tsunami. Tsunami? Okay, y'all didn't get that either. I'm not going to sit down there. My 5 minutes is up. I thank y'all for this opportunity. I get so excited when I come to these CONFERENT to the conferences. I get excited. Y'all like to wear FPLL. Y'all enjoying that PRT, ain't it? Thank y'all so VR and you say, y'all appreciate TNT.